Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm gonna show you how I make simple croutons. You're gonna need bread. Sliced bread is best. White, wheat, bran, whatever. You could use any bread. Visit Jamaican Cookings.com for the recipe. Do what I'm doing. Do this. Cut bread in small strips. Do what I'm doing. Put the strips together and then cut small little squares. The other way to do this is to put these little bread pieces into olive oil or drizzle olive oil on the bread pieces and then sprinkle on it fresh herbs. Put the bread pieces on a baking tray and then bake it for between 12 minutes, 350 degrees, or bake it until it's crispy. Put a large skillet to low medium heat. Allow it to get hot 40 seconds between a minute. This way I'm showing you today is a simple method. Now put bread pieces on the heating skillet or frying pan. Allow it to toast on one side between 6 minutes. Watch it to see if it's burning. After that, flip it and toast it for the same time. This is it. Homemade simple croutons. Visit Jamaican Cookings.com for the recipe. It's crispy.
Yeah, man!